welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell, and then you will never miss any of my wig related videos. So today I'm bringing you a review for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any questions about what wigs are in stock, or if you're trying to find out if a certain color is in stock. So make sure you do that too. So today I'm wearing a really cute style by Envy. This is Isabella, and the color on this one is Ginger Cream. More about her in just a minute. And start talking about Isabella. So Isabella is a really a bob or lob length, but she comes out of the box with these curls. So this is Envy hair. So it's 70% heat-friendly synthetic and 30% human hair. So if you want to tone the curls down, or if you want to straighten her, you have the ability to do that with your straightening tools. And every Envy wig comes with this great little card that gives you the temperatures you can use and also recommends products to use on the wig, which I really, really love. So, I like to show these to y'all, pretty much right out of the box. All I did was take out the zigzag part the best that I could. This one with the curls was a little hard to get out. But, and then just kind of, chill the curls out just slightly by just running my fingers through them a little bit, just getting them to relax enough to where I could film, But because, of course, she comes, bunched up in a net. So a curly wig is always going to be, the curls are going to be really, really tight. They needed just a moment to, relax a bit. But she's really, really pretty. The curls are very pretty. And like I said, well, I'll go over her measurements in a moment, and you'll see that she has the length to, I think she'd be really, really pretty, a little more straightened as well. So really cute. So let me show her to you here. This is the front. Here is my left side. The back. Very pretty. My right side. And then back to the front. And don't get me wrong, I think the curls are really, really pretty. So you don't have to mess with the curls at all if you don't want to, but I'm just saying that you do have that option. If you're not so much into, these big curls, then you can relax them a little bit, with your straightening tools. So, but she's really, really pretty. Okay, so measurement wise, she is 10 inches here in the front. She has 8 to 9 inch measurement on the side. Her crown measurement is 9 inches, and her nape back here is 7.25 inches. So she's got, just a really nice, easy to wear length. I really like, wigs that are this length. I think this is great, particularly for my age. This is the most comfortable, length that I like, in wearing a wig. So very wearable, comfortable length, which I really, really like. Okay, so cap construction wise, and her weight is 5.75 ounces. So cap construction wise, she is an ear to ear lace front and a full mono top. So here's the lace front right at the very front. Now this lace always comes just slightly long on these pieces that have this type of cap construction from what I'm seeing. So you can trim that right back to the hairline if you want to. I feel like it's blending into my skin tone pretty well. But then you've got all the way down on your ear tabs here, you've got the lace that goes all the way down there, and I'll show you what the inside of the cap looks like in just a moment. But you just have a very natural hairline appearance by having this, this lace all the way across there. So very, very nice, very pretty. Okay, I'll pop her off and we will look at the inside of her cap. Okay, cap construction for Isabella. So this is here's her mono top, and you can kind of see my fingers under there. So you can see that you have, the ability to part her. You can part her on the left, you can part her in the middle, you can part her on the right, however you want to do that. And when I put her back on before I do the color, I'll show you, more about the mono top on my head. But so, really generous. This checkered appearance is just the different colored fibers that are sewn into her. So here you have that lace front, goes all the way down onto the ear tabs. So it goes all the way around here. And you can trim this lace, not just on the forehead. If you need to trim it back a little bit, down here on the ear tabs or something like that, you can do that. It's made for you to be able to customize it like that. So then there's a poly strip that goes all the way across and also forms the other part of the ear tab along with that lace. And their lace is a little bit thicker, so it is, you know, sturdy lace, which is nice. And then you can see that there's that piece of metal in there for the ear tab, you know, so that you can form it to your head. So she's open wefted all through the cap. She has these lace strips, and these are really, really stretchy. So this is fitting my head, my petite average head, quite well, but I think that she would definitely stretch. You know, she's considered to be average size, so she definitely has a lot of stretch. So she's got Velcro adjusters, and she has an extended felt nape. She also has that soft felt lining all around the edge here. So very nice. So here's that lace front. There you can see the parting. Okay, let's start talking about her color. This is Ginger Cream. Ginger Cream is a very, very pretty blonde. So a little blonde for me, although it looks good on camera. In the mirror, it seems a little bit blonde for me, but very, very pretty color. And I know this is a very, very popular color. So I'm excited that I get to try it. So, okay, so Ginger Cream is described as dark beige blonde underneath with light neutral blonde highlights on top. So when they say underneath, a lot of the envy coloring, you have a darker color on the underside. So to me, that's what I consider the base color. You can see that under there. And then you have these lighter blondes up on the top. So, and I will show you this mono top. I said I would do this. So here you can see, you can part it wherever, you know, and you're gonna get that appearance of scalp all over. And the mono top is, yeah, it's all over the entire top of my head. So really, really generous, nice mono top. Okay, back to Ginger Cream. So here she is. Without bright lighting. So that's where I can see more of the beige. Okay, so here we are under my patio cover. There you can kind of see that underneath. I hope that showed. So here's that part, the lace front. It's a bit overcast, but here's the color in full natural light. Very pretty blonde. I can see why it's popular. Ginger Cream, very, very pretty color out there in the natural light. All right, let's talk about glasses and styling and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so glasses. Glasses work great with her. She's not super ear tuckable, at least not with these big curls. You know, they're just, big curls are kind of hard to stick behind your ear, but I'm going to put them back there just so you know, for the sake of you being able to see the glasses. The glasses are super easy, especially with these thin lace and poly ear tabs. Very, very easy. Now, again, you could put them up on your head, but I would push the hair back behind your ears before you do that. This is not going to be an easy wig to push back with your glasses because density-wise, I would say she's about medium density. She's not, definitely not low density, at least not with these, you know, big barrel curls in her. So she's cute with a headband. Really cute. You can also just stick a headband in her. Really cute. All right, so she has enough length to do off the face styling. She will stay back in a clip, but like I said, these curls are, you know, you've got to kind of squish the curls down to get her back like that. There's my big clip, there it is. So, but you can, you know, get her back. And just always, of course, make sure that you smash down your ear tabs. And you could pull, like, you know, just pull down a little bit of the curl here. Just have a little bit of a swooping bang. That looks really, really cute. And then, of course, you know, with this ear-to-ear lace front, you could pull back, you know, as much as you wanted to on the top. You know, bump her up on the top or whatever you want to do. You know, you can pull back as much as you want, all the way down, you know, to the ear tabs. Or if you don't want to pull all of that back, you want to leave a little side hair, you can do that too. So she's really, really cute. I don't think that she's, with the curls in her, straighten her out here. I don't think she's gonna be the best for like a ponytail, although she has a 7.25 inch nape, so she technically has enough. I guess you could, you know, you could squeeze them into a little ponytail bun thing back there. But of course you can also, because this is the Envy hair, you know, human hair synthetic mix, you could straighten her out a little bit, and then you probably could get a little more, you know, of a twist back there or a little ponytail. So she's really, really a pretty wig, very glamorous in this color, I have to say. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending me this wig to review for you today. There will be information below this video for how you can purchase Isabella from Pinky Promise and any other wigs that you're interested in. Also, don't forget to go to the website and sign up to get those emails, and you will save 30%. Yay! So thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye!